Okay, now that we have gone through our untitled files, we are going to go through our copy of files. So you know that every time you decide you want to make a copy of something, it starts the name off with copy of. And if you don't rename it right away, then that's how it's saved in your drive. So I'm going to go, I know I have a lot of copy ofs down here because not only if you don't name it, if you don't organize it, it's just going to hang out in the bottom of your drive underneath all of your folders. So I'm going to search copy of. Enter. Okay, this is where you are going to have to be a little bit more careful. Um, I was able to go through my untitled documents really quick, but this is where you're going to need to be really careful to make sure that you haven't worked on something that you're going to need. Like, for example, this file has the name copy of in it, and I know I need it. So just be careful as you're going through and doing that. So go ahead, same way to go through your copy of files, just like you did your untitled files. Just pro tip, and I did put this at the bottom of the slide, is if you want to select more than one and they're all in a row, click the first one, hold the shift button, click the last one. If you want to select more than one, but they're not in a row, then you either hold down the command or the control button. It depends on what kind of device you're using, and you click around, and then you can get rid of. So that's just a pro tip and will save you some time. So good luck with that.